This is called Spunky, my 31 Chevy Coupe. I purchased this in 2012. It took them 6 years to build, and the guy decided he wanted a different vehicle, and I got it at the Pumpkin Run. And I got it in 2012, and I've been driving it ever since. And it's spunky for a reason, because you hit the gas and it goes.
What kind of engine does it have?
It has a 350 small block Chevy in it. Everything's Chevy except for the grill on it. That's Ford.
Awesome.
It's got power windows, door poppers. I've installed that after I bought it. They had Nissan power windows, and I had to get different power windows to put in it. And the passenger's door was out of square, so that's why it wasn't working very good. So that's about the only thing I've done to it. Put a fuel pump on it this winter, and rebuilt the carburetor on it, and new plugs in it. And she fires the first turn of the key.
Any stories to tell? Does Spunky have any stories?
Oh, yes.
What kind of stories?
Well, it's amazing when you get out on the road, and the wife tried to run me in her Ford Mustang as we was getting off of 275 on the Colerain Avenue. And before we got around 90 degrees of the turn, I was in front of her, and she let out of the gas.
That's great.
And it's very funny to watch behind. I drive behind her, and all the people pulling up to her in her Mustang to talk to her, and then you see her pointing back there to me in the coupe.
They get a little bit of a surprise.
Yeah.